In this video, we will be replacing the climate-controlled seats air filter element in this 2012 Ford F150. We first want to gain access behind the front seat. We can then look underneath the front seat towards the rear. And taking a look under the rear of the front seat, we can see our filter element. To remove this, we want to rotate this counterclockwise and remove that. And on the passenger side, we can also take a look underneath that front seat. And we can see that second filter. Rotating that counterclockwise, we can remove it. And I do like to compare my old part with my new part to make sure they look the same. These are looking good. Now it is worth noting that when you do look up the part for this, it is identified as part number 17, which correlates to FS106. However, when we look up FS106, it is just the casing with no filter element. That is what they say fits this vehicle. Obviously, what we removed from the vehicle was an FS100, so I would assume both of these would fit. Obviously, our new part will fit, and they claim that the FS106 fits. That's be up to you as far as what you want to replace this with. I did end up ordering the FS100, which it claims it doesn't fit, and it actually does, so take it with a grain of salt on that one. We have one filter for the driver's side seat. This will rotate clockwise and snap into place. And we have one for the passenger side. With these installed, this repair is complete.